Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deeksha Shetty, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of beautiful 2 net sarees from JOMSO.com. Now without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. This is also a requested video, guys, and this is what I ordered. Sorry, this is how JOMSO does its packaging, and this is what I ordered. One is a pink saree and one is a replica saree. So we first start with this purple colored saree. Let me show you guys the picture. This is how the product should look, and it's a display picture. Looks really nice, and जो product है वो soft भी है. They've actually tied it over here so that it stays in place. So first let's see the blouse fabric, guys. They've included this satin fabric for the blouse. It's just plain, there is no design at all, and for the sleeve and for the back part they have included this net fabric, and the fabric used here is nylon net, not very soft. For the sleeve part they've included this design, this embroidery in golden work. It's a thread work, and they've stuck like rhinestones over here, and there is like another 2 design which you can actually get it stitched on your sleeve part or on your back, wherever you like. And there is about a 0.80 meter of fabric, guys, totally, which I think is a standard size. Pretty good. Now let me show you guys how the saree looks. Again, the fabric used here is nylon net, and they have the same design which you saw in the sleeve part. Same golden thread embroidery work with like there is rhinestones here. They've stuck rhinestones. Again, the glue looks like of a very good quality. I've tried pulling this out and it didn't come off, and it has like a heavy thread work to its extreme bottom. So this is the thread work. It comes in this like green, pink, golden embroidery, and they've stuck a lot of rhinestones, guys. This looks really grand, and the design, if you see, सब एक ही जैसा है. It's not like up and down, roughly नहीं किया है. They have taken a lot of time to like embroider this. Looks like a very good quality. When you turn it to the other side, the stitching is so neat. Random threads hang नहीं हो रहे इधर उधर, so that you will not trip and fall, which is nice thing. And again, जो glue, see, if you see here, they have given a lot of like pink rhinestones which are stuck over here. I hope my camera is focusing that, guys. It gives that like slight shine, बहुत subtle सा shine. It's not like भड़कीला color, not like very shiny. बहुत ही अच्छा है. And see, I am pulling this off, and not even a single rhinestone fell off, which I think is nice. And जो पल्लू दिखा रही थी, it's almost the same. जो embroidered design भी है, it's the same all throughout the saree. And जो design भी है, guys, it is done in a very good way. And आप देख सकते हो इधर पाइपिंग दिया हुआ है pink color का, and if you see, you will not even see any like random threads here and there. And stitching भी बहुत अच्छे से किया है यहाँ पे. Very soft fabric, and always I really like this part about JOMSO. They include a petticoat fabric so that you don't have to go in search of finding a matching fabric for your skirt. So this is the satin fabric, and there is about 2 meter of fabric for your skirt. Now coming to the comparison, guys, the picture shown in the website and what I received is almost the same. If you compare the design or the thread work design over here and in the picture it's almost the same. Even the color is pretty light, it's not very gaudy, very nice color, very subtle kind of a color. And even the blouse fabric, they've included a petticoat fabric, which is really a good thing. And now coming to the price, the original price of this was around 4,000 something and the discounted price is just 1,990, which I think is a good deal. In case if you want to shop this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or else you can directly go to www.jomso.com and type this product code. You will find this product. Now let's see the next sari. Again, this was also a requested sari, and let me open this up and show you guys the picture. This is the display picture. This is how the product should look, and let's see how the product really is. First, let's see the blouse fabric, guys. They've given this golden fabric for the blouse. It's just plain, there's no design at all, and I really don't know what this fabric is called. It's a little stiff material like paper. I think it's called paper silk, and it's not at all see-through, so you can actually skip getting a lining attached to this. But personally, it's not my favorite kind of a fabric. I feel a little uncomfortable wearing such kind of a fabric. This is the sari, guys, and the fabric is mono net, super soft net, guys, super soft. It's not like the earlier product I showed, that was a nylon net, which was a little stiff, but this is very soft. You can see how I pleated this, and to the bottom they have given this golden thread work, which is super cute, very nicely made. On the other side, if you see the stitches, you'll not find any random stitches, and in between that they have stitched some sequins as well. It's in copper color. And to the extreme bottom, they have given this lace in like green. There's like floral design in golden and pink, which is contrasting. I hope my camera is focusing that. And again, the stitching is pretty good. बहुत ही अच्छे से stitching किया हुआ है यहाँ पे. The whole sari has the same design. And let's see the pallu now. This is the pallu. The lace detailing is the same. They've given the same lace, and then they've included this. They've included this floral design in like pink, peach and green color. It is actually not embroidered to this. They have actually stitched or embroidered in a different net fabric and then attached to this. So, but ये पता नहीं चलता है कि कोई और fabric में किया है. And on the other side, the stitching is pretty good. So this is it. Sari is very lightweight, guys. If you're college going, if you have like small parties, and if you don't wear saris very often, then I think it's a good sari to try, because very easily pleatable, very easily you can manage this, and even you can wear like a heavy jewelry, like, you know, heavy bangles. This is not going to get stuck. So a nice thing. I really like this. And the best thing about JOMSO is that they have included the satin fabric for your petticoats, so that you will not have to go in search of finding the exact matching petticoat for your sari. And there is around 2 meters of fabric, very soft satin, very good. to the comparison guys, the picture shown on the website and what I received is almost the same. Only thing different is the blouse fabric. Here they've included like silver blouse with a lot of rhinestone work, and here it is golden and it's just plain. So and other than that, even the border or the lace detailing over here, if you compare, the minute detailing is the same. So I would like to rate it 3.5 out of 5 if I have to compare this picture and the sari. If I don't have to compare the picture, then I would like to rate it 4 out of 5 because everything about the sari is really good. Even the design, the embroidery, the thread work, the rhinestone which are stuck, even that is of a very good quality. And plus point is they've included a petticoat fabric, which I really like about JOMSO. So that's it guys. Now coming to the price. The original price of this was 3,890 rupees and the discounted price is just 1,990, which I think is a good deal. In case if you want to shop this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or else you can directly go to jomso.com and type this product code. You will find the product. And now if you want to know about JOMSO's website, JOMSO sells all kind of Indian ethnic wear guys, and they do have cash on delivery option. They do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge, and a lot of you keep asking me about their return policy. It's super simple. Once you receive the product, you didn't like a product, or if you receive a defective product, or if you're not happy with the product, you can easily return it. What you'll have to do is you'll have to mail them within 7 days of receiving the product, and they're going to arrange for a return. So that's it guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.